Are you making any of these 6 common health care mistakes? Unfortunately, many seniors do, and it ends up costing them dearly. So watch this video till the end so you don't make the same mistakes. Hi, everyone, I am a doctor. I am an emergency room doctor who treats everything from COVID to gunshot wounds, burns, you name it. I've created this video series to help answer some of your medical questions and the questions that I get from patients each and every day. Now, if you find this video helpful, please do me a favor and subscribe. Now let's jump into the video. So the first mistake that a lot of people make is they do and go to the doctor regularly. Many people only go to the doctor when they are sick. This is a big mistake. The reason why this is a mistake is because many health conditions do and have symptoms until it is too late. For example, many people don't know that high blood pressure or diabetes, those 2 conditions, don't really have symptoms until it's too late. And by that time, you can end up having a heart attack or a stroke. Also, regular checkups allow doctors to catch small problems before they become big problems. For example, if we catch high blood pressure early, we can treat it with lifestyle changes or medications and prevent it from becoming a bigger problem like a heart attack or a stroke. Same thing with diabetes. If we catch that early, then we can prevent a lot of the complications that come along with diabetes, such as blindness, kidney failure, and poor circulation in the feet. So make sure you go see your doctor at least once a year for a checkup. Mistake No. 2. Not taking care of your mental health. As we get older, it's important to take care of our mental health just as we take care of our physical health. Unfortunately, many seniors don't, and they suffer in silence. This can lead to all sorts of physical health problems down the road, such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and even dementia. So make sure you take the time to find a therapist that you can talk to and be open and honest with. The third mistake that a lot of seniors make is not getting enough exercise. According to the CDC, only about 1 in 4 adults over the age of 65 get the recommended amount of exercise. That's 1 out of 4. Exercise is important for everyone, but it's especially important for seniors. As we get older, we lose muscle and bone mass, and exercise can help us maintain that muscle and bone mass. It also helps keep our joints lubricated and flexible, which becomes more important as we age. In addition, exercise can help reduce the risk of falls, which is a leading cause of injury and death in seniors. So aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. And if you haven't exercised in a while, start slowly and gradually increase your activity level. Now, the fourth mistake that a lot of seniors make is not eating healthy. As we get older, our nutritional needs change. Unfortunately, many seniors don't get the nutrients they need, and this can lead to all sorts of health problems. A balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains can help seniors stay healthy and active. And if you have trouble preparing meals or have difficulty getting to the grocery store, there are many community resources that can help. Now, the fifth mistake that a lot of seniors make is not staying socially active. As we get older, it's important to stay connected with friends and family. This can help us maintain our mental and emotional well-being, which in turn can help us stay physically healthy. Studies have shown that seniors who are socially active have lower blood pressure and are less likely to develop dementia. So make an effort to stay in touch with loved ones and participate in social activities. And the last mistake that a lot of people make is not keeping their doctor's appointments. This is probably the biggest mistake on this list because it can have the most serious consequences. Many seniors have difficulty getting to their doctor on time because of things such as transportation issues or not having enough money for gas. But it is so important to make your doctor's appointments a priority. If you have a condition where you're being treated, let's say diabetes or high blood pressure, if you miss your doctor's appointments, your condition can get worse and you could end up having a heart attack or a stroke. So if you have trouble getting to your appointments, talk to your doctor's office. They may be able to work with you and offer solutions such as telehealth visits or transportation assistance. So how many of these mistakes were you making? If you're making any of them, know that you're not alone. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes and make positive changes. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please do me a favor and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you have a question you'd like me to answer, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and stay healthy, my friends.